The E18 error code on a washing machine indicates a drainage problem. This issue can be caused by a blockage in the drain pump, a kinked or clogged drain hose, or an electronic control unit failure. To fix the problem, start by cleaning the drain pump. Unplug the washing machine. Open the service door on the bottom front panel, and use the drain hose to drain water. Remove the pump cover. Clean the interior to remove any residue, and ensure the impeller can rotate. Once cleaned, replace the pump cover and close the service door. If the issue persists, consider calling an expert. Additionally, inspect the drain hose by loosening the pipe clamp, removing the hose, and draining excess water into a bucket. Clean the hose and siphon, and check the hose connector for obstructions. After cleaning, put the drainage hose and clamp back in place, and straighten any bent hoses. Another potential solution is to reset the electronic control unit. Unplug the washing machine. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and begin draining. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the E18 error code and get your washing machine functioning properly. Again,